Welcome. This video is to show you 3 ways to install apps on your smart digital board. Method 1. Using the Microsoft Store. This is the safest and most convenient way to get verified apps. Start by clicking the Store icon. Simply type the name of the app you need in the search bar, like WhatsApp. The system will automatically download and set it up for you. Once finished, you'll see the new app in the desktop, ready for usage. Method 2. Downloading from official websites. This is ideal for specialized teaching or professional software not found in the store. Then visit the official website. Look for the download button to get the .exe or .msi installer. Double-click the file and follow the instruction. Now you can use the app. Method 3. Installing via USB drive. This is perfect if your smartboard is offline or with a large installer packages. Copy the file to the local desktop from your USB. Double-click the downloaded file and follow the installation wizard. Just click Next until the process is complete. You can find the app on the desktop now. Now your smartboard is ready with all the tools you need. Whether it's for education or business, you're ready to go.